The coroner's inquest was held on March 29th. According to newspaper articles, Deputy Sheriff H.S. Newman was the only witness. He read a statement in which George admitted to have beaten the girls to death with a railroad spike. Newman claimed the statement was signed by George. This signed confession was never seen again. The jury found that the girls came to their deaths at George Stinney's hands and recommended that he would be held for a grand jury on the charge of murder. Yes, the jury included George Burke Sr., Scott Lauder, and Sam Perry, the men who were part of the search party that found the girls' bodies on Burke's property. Newspapers announced that Donald Paget would also serve as a juror, but I could not decipher his name on the inquest documentation. A grand jury was formed to determine if the prosecution had enough evidence against George to go to trial. Grand jury proceedings are secret, but we do know that Deputy Newman took the stand as a witness. Ben Alderman, the owner of the sawmill, was heard as well. The grand jury indicted George for the murders of Betty June and Mary Emma. There is no mention of rape or sexual assault in the indictments. George W. Burke is listed as a member of the grand jury and as a witness, although we can't be sure he did indeed testify. His name has been scratched out with pencil on the document. To have a jury member testify to the very jury they are part of would be outrageous. But considering the other outrageous occurrences in this case, it would not surprise me if he did.